Before a home ever goes on the market, the work that happens behind the scenes can determine how fast it rents and who it rents to. Pre-leasing preparation isn't just a step in the process. It's the foundation for a successful lease. At Stokley Properties, we start by preparing your home to compete at the highest level. That means identifying maintenance items, cosmetic improvements, and safety concerns before renters ever see the listing. Small details matter. Cleanliness, functionality, and presentation all directly impact tenant interest and perceived value. We coordinate inspections, repairs, and vendor scheduling to ensure the home is truly move-in ready. Our goal is to eliminate surprises, reduce delays, and position your property as a high-quality rental from day one. Pre-leasing also includes setting the right strategy. We analyze current market conditions, comparable rentals, and seasonal demand to establish pricing that attracts attention without leaving money on the table. A properly prepared home, priced correctly, creates urgency and minimizes vacancy time. Once the property is ready, we ensure it's professionally marketed and launched at the right moment, not rushed and not delayed. This proactive approach helps prevent extended days on market and reduces the likelihood of accepting less qualified applicants out of frustration. Most importantly, pre-leasing preparation protects your investment. It reduces turnover issues, attracts responsible tenants, and sets clear expectations from the start of the lease. At Stokley Properties, we don't just list homes, we prepare them to perform. If you want faster leasing, stronger tenants, and fewer headaches, it starts before the advertising begins. Stokley Properties, preparation that leads to performance.